Hi, this is Jasmine, my model, and she has type 3 hair. So I'm going to take Jasmine to the backwash, shampoo and condition and style her hair to get some shine back in there. So as you can see, Jasmine's hair is super long. So we need some kind of flexible holder on her hair because her hair has got lots of movement and it's going to move continuously. So I'm going to use the shine jelly. So I'm going to pop that on a little by little. So you want to distribute it evenly. It's really important, otherwise a hair's going to look like it's got too much product on in one particular place. Make sure the hair is reasonably wet as well, and that you can form the clumps. These clumps are really important. You can see here we've got clumps and we've got ribbons. This is what you need in order to put the styler on, the gel or the jelly, and this is what will form your lovely defined texture. So once you've distributed the product through the hair, leave it, don't touch it again. And just carry on through. Okay, so we're nearly there. Just again, smoothing everything out, making sure everything's evenly distributed before I start my drying. So that brings me to the end of drying Jasmine's hair, and you can see how fabulous her curls look and how shiny and nourished they look.